Hey guys, welcome back. And today, if you're wondering why I have my thing like that, because I have my regular earrings in. But I have these new earrings. I saw them like nice. I want to show them, everybody, what they look like. And I think they're kind of cool. They're just big. And also, the title's not this. It's my new fidgets. And this video is really quick. So, yeah. And if you're wondering what that is, I spilled my food on my shirt. So just. Oh, say, can you see? Got my hand over my heart. And you're probably wondering why I'm like kind of tired today. Well, I went swimming yesterday, so I'm a little bit tired. And there was a diving board and there's 2 slides, so I'm tired. And usually I'm like, hey guys, welcome back. But like, not today. But let me get my fidgets. They're probably like, oh my gosh, more fidgets. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And I'm also going to show you this really stretchy slime. Let me get it. Guys, it's taking me a second to find all of them because they're in my back. And I have to just find them. So, it takes me a second to find them all. Okay, I just need one more. Can't find it. Okay, guys, I can't find my other fidget, but that's alright. So I'm going to show you my Nido. What is this? It's a thing. Okay, so this is my Nido. It's a color changing Nido. It's amazing. I have a pink one of these. That's the fidget that I couldn't find. I know it's in my bag, but my bag is full of stuff. So I can't get it. And the pink one is like it's a little bit darker. A little bit darker than this. And that one changes to purple. This one's blue and it changes to pink. And then the pink one changes to purple. But yeah. This is my Nido. And I'm really glad that I got a Nido because I've been wanting them. But I had my globbles. And yeah. And I just think like it's like slime. I don't know why. But yeah. Got my amazing Nido. And then I have my video game puppet, and I got this at this toy store, and I also got the slime at the toy store we went to, and I think this puppet is a really good puppet. It's on a bed, so you might not be able to hear that much. But yeah, this video game puppet is so cool. I was like pretending I was playing, but I was like popping them. And it does have a bad side, but most puppets do have a bad side. Some don't, and I like the puppets that don't. But yeah, I was like, amazing. But yeah. And if you're wondering why I'm like not in my regular room, like you see that big cow up there, and just colors are forming. Well, I'm actually at my grandma's house right now, but we are going back tomorrow. I forgot, but yeah. So yeah, this is my video game puppet, and these red and green things are puppets too. So yeah, these two. Okay, and yes, I did get another yellow puppet. It's a yellow circle. I know I have a yellow circle in my house, but you know, I got another one because why not? This one does not have a bad side. Flip it over. That's the amazing thing. I think y'all should tell me which side is the real side, because you know, I've been trying to figure that out. But okay, so this is number 1. If that's the real side, or is this the real side? Number 2. Y'all should tell me. Okay, next one. This one doesn't really have a bad side either. It is a tie-dye puppet. It's like a very firm puppet. It does bend, but it's firm. The plastic wrapping, the plastic bubble one thingy, just the pops. I don't know what to call it. Just the bubbles, we'll call that, these things. Well, it's like very firm when you press it down, but you just hear that nice click. But I have to say, the best puppet I like is probably this one. I don't know, I think it's the best. Because it is. Yes. Guys, I think, sorry, I always feel like I blur the camera. Because I do. That's my hair. It's just shiny. Okay. Got my slime. Y'all might not be that interested. Oh, it's so sticky right now. Y'all might not be that interested in slime. I'm not either. You know, I have to tell you, I'm not interested in slime at all. But I saw the slime and I was like, oh, clear slime. It's really clear. I was like, well, maybe I should get it. I don't know. And I was like, you know, it's probably going to be the best slime. There is no, like, cloud slime, fluffy slime, whatever. I would get that if there was. But there was this slime, and there's, like, they had, like, Christmas slime. I was like, no, I think this is the best one. So it was the last clear slime left. And I got it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't really like slime, but I'll give it a try. You know, why not? But once I opened this slime, I was like, OMG. This is amazing. It's literally still stretching. It's just, I think that, you know, like, it's not sticky. It's obviously sticky once you get it out of the thing, because it hasn't been played with or, like, something like that for 12 hours or 10 hours or 11 hours. So I think that this is probably amazing slime. So if you ever, that was just weird. It never has done that to me. It's never broken apart. But if you can find this kind of slime, you should go ahead and, you know, get it. My eyes are closed. I have no clue if it's like gonna drop or anything. I don't even know where it is. Guys, I don't know if it's like dropping or anything. Is it like going down? Tell me guys if it's going down or anything. That's cool, that's cool. It just went on my foot. It makes me shiver. And I have like, let me do a scroll on a poppet on this. I'm not good at straws, guys, because you know I've never ever had slime like this. Oh shoot. Okay. I don't know how to swirl. I only have those 3 slimes, I think, that I showed you, or I showed you 2. I think I showed you 2, but those are the only slimes that I ever have had before. It just dropped on me. But yeah. That was not me. That was the slime. I promise you guys, it was the slime. It was the slime. Okay, guys. I bet that I can pop all of these poppets. You know, I'm amazing. Bet you I can pop all these poppets and squish this 2 times before y'all can subscribe with your ring finger. And then follow and like, so like, follow and subscribe. Ready? Oh, no, restart. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This video game puppet is hard to pop because it's very flimsy. Okay. Did you do it? Tell me if you did. And actually, guys, I did do it. And you saw me squish this. But yeah, I really actually like this video. It's kind of a boring video. To me, it was. But yeah, and I was about to tell you, if I do get 20 subscribers, we will have a party. But yeah, I'd really like if y'all could give me 20 subscribers. My brother's like, OMG, how does she have 20 subscribers? I'm like, I'm famous. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not famous. If you have like a lot, you'll be famous, but I'm not. No, it's not for me. Bye, guys.